call it right there. That feels worse for some reason. Okay, that's weird. What did I do? I've done something incorrect. What the fudgeck? What's happening right now? Okay, that's stiff. That's rubbing. You know what? I bet it's rubbing now, but when I flip the bike over, it'll stop. Yeah, I'm just going to adjust that with the handlebar. That'll be fine. I can use the handlebar one a little bit since I moved the inside pad over. It's not going to warp the disc or nothing at this point. Did it just fucking move more? Oh well, it'll be fine. And to quote the Cars and Camera crew, it'll be fine. Fuck. I wish the Cars and Camera guys would do like some electric stuff. They're all about the gas stuff, which like technically tends to be less expensive to work on, but I really like them to build something hybrid. Not sure what's that rubbing is from. It's just hitting the disc a little bit. Oh well. Okay, now what I need to do is put this here. I don't know if that's going to do any good though. So if I have to lift this front wheel out a little bit to get to the brake, all this extra weight from this other battery is going to make the bike tilt over. I flipped it around to where the rear is facing the garage because it's on a bit of a decline. So yeah, incline, decline, however you want to look at it. I think that's how it is, because when the hills, when you're going down a hill, that's actually a decline. That's not an incline. An incline means you're going up. A decline means you're going down. Down being negative, up being positive. I think that's how that's supposed to work. If I remember correctly from my school days, all them decades ago. And I'm gonna go ahead and start pumping this tire up. Get them damn air in it, damn tire right now. Okay. It's funny how I can talk this much when I'm not riding the bike. But when I'm riding the bike and I'm looking at all the interesting stuff of San Bernardino, I don't talk quite as much. Probably because I'm trying not to die by getting run over by some jackass that should not have a license, but you know. And these tires are supposed to go to 40 psi, which is weird because the front one's narrower than the rear one, and it also wants you to put it at 40 psi. But it's like, I'm not going to question it, I'm just going to do it. And normal sized people would, of course, not max it out because they want a little bit of cushion in their tire for some added suspension. But me being the gigantor that I am, I have to pump it up to the max. Otherwise, I have an issue of possibly having rollout where the tire kind of comes off of the rim, which would be horrible. Granted, with these, I don't think that would even happen. I think that I would actually be able to ride home on a flat on these things. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't aim the camera down for that whole disc caliper adjustment thing. So, there's the rear caliper that I just fixed. Sorry. I did it again. I Britney Spears the fuck out of that thing. Okay, let's see. Should already be set to 40, and it is. Looks like it's fully charged, so let's go ahead and transition to the front of the bike. That's going to be fun. That was stupid. I threw my Allen wrenches over there and it popped open. I should have realized that was going to happen, but you know, live and learn. That. Put these away. So, how are you enjoying the sound of my pump? I don't enjoy it. But you know, someone might, so I figured why not share. Okay. Normally what I would do is if the tire's pumping up, I'd be rolling this tire around in my hand, trying to make sure the bead was seating right, but with this heavy duty ass dual sport tire, it kind of seats itself. Don't really got to do that. Saves me a step. See, clean as you go applies to more than just making food. You can do it when you're working on your bike too. Wait a minute, is this the wheel? Yeah, see here, look. This is the oh wait, no, this is one of my trike wheels. I don't know where my front wheel for my electric is. Shit, I was gonna show you. Let me see, maybe, oh, this is it right here. See, look. This is the front wheel for the electric. This is, if you notice something, see where the see how the tabs are in there? Let me get out in the light. They're alternating. So if that rear hub motor was built right, then why aren't these tabs on this wheel facing the same direction? Anywho. I don't know if I pointed it out before. This is if you can see it in the dark, kind of. This is my that's wheels. That's a pile of regular and hub motor wheels. There's a fat tire bike frame mixed in there, a fat tire trike frame mixed in there. There's a red e-bike frame on top. Yeah, and there's a weed eater. I don't know why the weed eater's there, but it is. I may have put it there. I don't know. Yeah. And this, like, going along this way, more hub motors. My mom's trike she never used. The old Schwinn style classic antiquated thing. My backup bike. Tires and tubes, spares. More bike parts and bike racks and other stuff. See how this thingy's doing? We're up to 35 psi. What I love about these pumps, you can set them and forget them, and do other stuff while you're pumping your tire up, like clean up your mess. I don't know why I keep putting the pump in front of the camera, but I do. Even these pumps have voltage sag. And now it's done. We had a truck went driving by and I heard air. It was his brakes, I guess, rubbing. I thought my tire was leaking all the air out of it. Oops. Helps if I turn this the right way. So that's done. Rear tire is back on, tightened down much better. The brake's been adjusted better, I guess. I didn't do it exactly like I wanted to do it, but it's on there. Wheel is not wobbling. Even with all the broken spokes I've been having, my wheel has not really been going out of true, other than when the spokes are broken, right when I get them in there and tighten it up and tension it down again. It goes back straight. So, and also I think the tire stiffness has a lot to do with keeping the rim straight, because how like heavy duty the tire is and how heavy duty the sidewalls are and the wire beading is. So the brand is MMG. I don't know if you can see that, MMG tires. I'll go ahead and put my valve cap back on, such as it is. And then let's hope this thing doesn't tilt up right now when I take the front wheel off. I think it'll probably tilt. See, I used to push this I used to, here, like, see this? I used to push this under the rack. Like, I'd lift the back of the bike up a little bit and set the bag on it. And that way, when I pulled the front wheel off, the rear of the bike wouldn't like drop down because of the weight. But I don't have that luxury anymore because I don't have the bag in that position. I have the battery in the way. So I might try to drag it over to the trash can to do this, so I don't tilt the bike over. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and very strenuously lift this bike up and put the ass of it up against the trash can, so it doesn't try to flip over if I have to pull the front wheel off. Alright. Okay. This fucking thing is so heavy, dude. Dude, bro, it's so heavy. Oh my god, man. Holy shit. And that went that way, not the way I needed it to. Ugh, fuck. Okay, it's up against it. So I shouldn't have any issues of it rolling on me. Ow, 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 bending over. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, I'm sorry. Alrighty then. Let's go ahead and do this now. Shit. Let me look at the caliper first and see if I'm wasting my time. You know what? That... Shit, I can't really see it. You know what? I just have to adjust the cable side. It's just the cable side I need this time. The inside pad is still almost up against the disc. You guys would have been laughing hysterically at me if you saw what I was trying to do right now. I was trying to fish my tools over to me with a bungee cord hook. And I hate fishing. So, you can tell how that turned out. Oh, fuck. Alright. Which one are you? You this one or you are this one? So, yeah, I gotta really readjust this front. This front brake is like way far away from the disc. Or at least the outside pad, I mean. Wow. I don't know how that got that bad. A little worn out and moved over is like normal, but Jesus. You know it's important when someone puts "but" and Jesus in the same sentence. Okay, don't move. I'll have to adjust this with the handlebar too, but you know, at least I'll be able to stop now. Shit, I gotta flip the bike around again. Fuck. I hear a bunch of popping noises coming from somewhere. Hope it's not gunfire. So, I got working brakes again. Yay. I love this hub motor and this mag. I mean, I hate the... Wait a minute. Do I have a tire bubble? Yes, I do. Shit. Looks like I'm not quite done yet. I got a tire bobble, and I think it's at the valve. Yeah, it is kind of at the valve. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. That's no bueno. That would explain why my front wheel's been a little wobbly. Okay, let's... Shit. No, I mean, let's not shit. I just... shit. No, I didn't just shit. I had to reach my stuff. Okay. Senor Phillips, there you are. So if like you were to start naming your tools, would you call your Phillips head screwdrivers Lou Diamond Phillips? Haha. Okay. So now I gotta get the frickin' valve over this thing, and this I hate pumping this front tire up because of the way the how the valve is. Look at the valve. See that valve? That valve's fucking annoying because it's like right up again the spook. It makes it extremely difficult to get air or to get the pump on here. Even trying to get like a regular old like hand pump that you like stand up and pump up and down like you're churning butter is difficult to get on here. So yeah, it's not good. So well, it looks better now that it's deflated. Alright. Guess it's a good thing I didn't put the pump all the way away yet. I would go for a ride, but it is getting a little colder out. By the time I'm done with this, it's probably going to be close to 6 o'clock. Granted, it probably won't get dark till like 7 because of the time change, but you know. See, this is a pain in the ass, man. Shit. I thought I had it. Dang it. Let's try doing it with this way. Got it on there. Right. Also, I don't know if you noticed the method I do these. I tend to put the hose on first, and then I screw the pump to the hose, and then it's way easier. Especially if the tire is already flat, there's no point in struggling to get it on there the other way. This time I'm going to roll the tire around because I don't want it popping out of the bead again. I mean, I don't want the bead popping out of the rim. Yeah, that makes no sense. Well, it definitely looks like it's seated in there the right way this time. This is going to be a long video. And I'm just so evil because I'm going to leave all this in. Okay. Shit, and I got to get this off of here. This is the fun part, because you're trying to get this thing off of here without losing a bunch of air, and it's kind of doesn't work. Like, what the fuck? Stop losing air. Stop losing air. Stop losing air. Stop losing air. Shit. You know, fuck it, it's fine. That is hard as a rock still. I am good. I lost so much air. I totally lost so much air. Oh my god. Even getting the valve cap back on is a pain in the ass. Uh-oh. Aw, man. My valve is busted. Damn it. How the fuck did that happen? Oh well. I guess I'm glad I caught that before that became even more of an issue. Shit. I don't know if I have any spare tubes for the rear. I don't have any money to buy a new one. I mean, not for the rear, for the front. Let me see. Fuck. That is not something I planned on happening right now. How the hell did that even happen? Well, there's a tube. Oh, that's patched though. Ooh. Ooh, which one of these is fucked up? Oh, no. No. Oh. Yeah, none of that air even went in the fucking... It all went in the tire. Holy crap. I wonder how long that's been fucked up for. Shit, let me see what time it is. See if I'm even going to work on this right now. It's 5:29. Shit. Oh, fuck. Not something I was planning on doing right now. I know. Shit, you know what? I'm not gonna fuck with it. I'm gonna go online and go on Amazon and order me a new tube, because I don't know if these tubes I have are any good. They're patched, and one of them may have gone flat, and even though it was patched, and I don't know which one it was, and my pump needs to be recharged, and I don't feel like fucking with it right now. So awesome. Should be fairly easy to roll still though. That's just great. That's just flipping great, bro. See, everything was going really smooth, right, guys? And then it wasn't. So go inside and try to scrounge some money together to buy tubes. Well, shit. Well, son of a bitch. I don't know if the tire pinched it apart somehow. But damn, that tire was in there good if it was like keeping the air from coming out the fucking the rim. Jesus. It didn't start doing anything until I moved it around. That's a new one. Alright. I'm gonna have to look at that when I pull it apart and see exactly what happened so I can try to avoid it. Maybe I may have to put less pressure on the front tire. But it says 40 on it. I know it says 40 somewhere. Where does it say 40? On the other side, I guess. Yeah, I know it says 40 on here. It must say it on the other side of the wheel. Oh well. Anyway, that was that. Didn't end quite as anyone would want it to end. It'd be so awesome if I could find a 20 by 3 inch front hub kit for an e-bike. I would totally do that. I'd love to have the matching rims on this thing, but and it'd probably make the ride a little more stable. I mean, it's stable-ish, but you know. You know, this front tire is worn down like hardly at all. Alright, well, let's go ahead and flip the bike back over. Shit, my legs. Alright, and put it away. Put it away now. Shit, what did I do? Fuck. Okay, I got it up against this trash can a little bit too good, apparently. Need to turn it around. So, at least I have another video to make for another day. Yay. Oh my god. That was very chickeny tasting. I had some chicken quesadillas for breakfast. Sometimes it's awesome to be an adult because you can have chicken quesadillas for breakfast with sour cream and taco sauce. Mmm. So good. And I know they were made with love because I made them for myself, and I love myself.